In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and Google search for Windows 11 download. Then what you can do is click onto the top result, make sure this does take you to the official website, which is microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. This is where you can come to upgrade to Windows 11, and if you scroll down you can see some various methods to upgrade to Windows 11. The best option is the one at the top, which is using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. And before you begin using this, what you want to do is click this small arrow here to make sure that you do have the requirements to install Windows 11. So as you can see, you do need to have a Windows 10 or 11 license. Your PC must have Windows 10 version 2004 or higher installed to run the assistant, and your PC must have at least 9 GB of free disk space to download Windows 11. Now, in addition to this, your PC does need to meet the Windows 11 device specifications. So if you click onto this, you can see the required specifications to install Windows 11. For example, you need at least 4 GB of RAM, and at minimum you do need a compatible processor or system on a chip with an MPU capable of performing 40+ TOPS. So this currently includes things like an AMD Ryzen, Intel Core Ultra 200V or Snapdragon X. Now don't worry too much about this, as you can do a PC health check to make sure your PC would be eligible to run Windows 11 successfully. But what we're going to do now is jump back a screen, and back on the installation system below here you're going to see the download now button. So what you want to do is give that a click and then just click to run through the steps to install Windows 11 on your PC. Now again, before doing this I would recommend, as mentioned, doing a PC health check. So basically to do that you want to come back to this screen here, click again onto device specifications, and you're going to see here there's an icon at the top called PC Health Check. So if you give that a click, this is actually an app that downloads onto your PC, and what you can do is run this. So you can see it's just installing, and what it's then going to do is launch on our PC. So you can see now we've got the option to check if we can upgrade to Windows 11. So you can see at the top we've got this blue check now button. Give that a click and it's going to tell you if your PC does meet the requirements for Windows 11. So as you can see in my case, I have got a tick saying this PC meets the Windows 11 requirements. So if it's good for you, then what you can do is just run through and install Windows 11 using the installation assistant. So what you would do is open it up once it's downloaded, and then all you would do is just accept the terms and install, and then just go through the steps to install Windows 11. Now of course for myself, I'm already running Windows 11 so I don't need to do this, but for yourself you would just run through the steps, and as long as you do meet the requirements you'll be able to upgrade to Windows 11. So that is how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.